Hitting up the IKEA in Antalya. Well, you know what, the food's halal, so me and the missus is just gonna have something. You can see you got a list of cakes, more cakes. And a cake bite?
Yes.
One of these? Oh, you got pistachio one there, right? I'll get one of these red velvet ones. Pistachio as well. Got salad with the rice. Got your smoked salmon. Oh, do they melt it? Do they melt this? I think they melt it, yeah? Yeah, that thing was melted, man. And you've got all your chicken stuff. Okay. Swedish meatballs and some salad or some vegetables and some fries. This has got the same. Some barbecue sauce. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Chocolate. Check out the inside. Oh yeah. Soft and decadent. Lovely. Like that, bro, just like that.
Hold on, I can actually.
This one looks a bit tough. Use the spoon to push it.
Doesn't want to work.
Taking up a whole heap of video. Oh, just the bottom bit, bro. That's what I have to do. Bottom bit, that's it. There you go. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous.